Hey everyone! So here's how to make a business page on LinkedIn. First of all, you need to open up your web browser. From here, type in and search for LinkedIn. And as you can see in the results, it is the link to their official website. So click on the first link to linkedin.com. So once you're in the LinkedIn website, make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you're done, what you need to do is click on this For Business tab on the top. Then, you will get to see multiple options. From here, if you look at the bottom, you will get to see this option that says Create a Company Page. Click on it. Once you're on the next page, you will get to see multiple categories like Company, Showcase Page, and Educational Institution. For our purpose, we need to click on Company. Now, all you need to do is fill up all the required information, like your company name. And as you type in your company name, you will notice that your LinkedIn URL is being typed in as well on the bottom. After that, just go through the next sections and fill them up. Make sure to select your organization size and also your organization type. You will get to see multiple options to choose from. And on this part, you can upload your company logo and then add your company tagline. After that, check this verification box and all you need to do is click on Create Page on the bottom. And that is how you can easily make a business page on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.